She's barking at every dog. So I had to zip her up. I can't zip her mouth, so I had to zip the little stroller. As many years as I lived in Santa Barbara, I have never actually gone around the bird sanctuary. I've known about it. It's near East Beach. And the cemetery's gorgeous. But yeah, I don't think my rig can go. I'm not sure. I have to stay away from a lot of cemeteries because of the trees. But this is a nice little trail. And I can't believe I've never been here. Look at this, Roxy. There's a trail that goes all the way around it. People run and cycle. Apparently you can walk around it. Yeah, this is the bird refuge. See some over there. Very nice. Okay, Roxy, let's keep on going. Oh, look at it. Well, hello, Mr. Dragonfly. Mr. Helicopter. What are you doing? Just hovering? It's like I'm just hovering. You're in my spot. Ah. I don't like when things fly super close to me and make a weird noise. Okay, let's keep going. Wow. It's blue, very blue. Blue helicopter. Look at him. So we're officially in October. I was just talking to a friend and I'm like, is it my imagination or did August and September just like fly by? Like what happened to those months? But yeah, October is a beautiful, used to be my favorite time of year. Well, not only because my birthday is on October, but just the weather is so nice. It's still sunny, like it's going to be 71 degrees. It's 67 right now. But, you know, the weather's nice. The sun comes out. It's cool. It's warm enough. And yet there's times when it's a little chilly and rainy. And, you know, you get to experience kind of a mixture, and that's nice. You can put some sweaters on, put Uggs on. Well, not quite yet here, but you know, you could have some pumpkin spice lattes, pumpkin pie, pumpkin everything. Everything's pumpkin in October. Anyways, this dragonfly's coming with us. You coming along? He's like, I'm gonna lead the way. I want to show you some awesome things. Okay. Surprised I don't see any runners. Usually you have joggers, runners on this trail. This is so cool. I love going places for the first time and experiencing everything new. This is nice. Roxy likes it too. see her in there? Normally she'll turn around and look at me. Are you still there? It is pretty. Very nice. That's the surf liner. The blue line. I'm not sure how far that goes, if it goes all the way to LA. I'll have to check into that. I've never been on it. I've only been on one train, and that was, I believe, maybe that was the blue line. I'm not sure. It took us to Ortega Street down in LA. I was dating somebody and we took the train to go have Mexican food down on Ortega Street. And that was fun. Ooh, a lot of dragonflies. Let's see where this goes. Oh, another little dock viewing area. See him right there? I thought that was an alarm. Those are monkeys, gibbons. So I'm near the zoo, and this lady said that they keep them on this island. They don't keep them caged up. They're afraid of water, so they're surrounded by water in the zoo, of course. So they're contained, but no, they're not in cages. That's awesome. So this is the end. This is the end of the trail. You can hear the freeway. That's the only drawback, is the freeway's so close. I really thought that was an alarm. I'm like, what's that alarm? Continue to walk. That leads to the cemetery up there. This is such a pretty trail. Look at the palm trees. And every so often you get a view of the water. And every so often she gets to bark at someone.